Hi friends, I'm Miss Stacey, and I've got this ball that's got some little bumps on it. It's not very fully pumped up, it's got a little bit of squishiness to it because I'm going to use it to massage my body to help me to feel calm. I wonder if you've got a ball that's like this, that you can roll on your body. Let's start at the top of our leg and roll it all the way to our foot and back, all the way down and back. Breathe in and breathe out. Let's try the other side. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Let's try both legs. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. You can give the ball a hug. Press it against your belly and against your heart and say to yourself, I am calm.